Hey, all, it's Chris with Show Fitness, here with one of our trainers, Brett. Today we're going to show you how to do a pistol squat. Pistols are great for unilateral strength. Grab a bench, sit down and do it nice and slow. The main thing I'm concerned about is your knee buckling in. The glute med is going to stabilize the hip to prevent that. So de-accelerate nice and slow, come back up with both legs, go even slower. Slow, 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 good. So you can see where he dropped kind of fast. That just means where he's weak, but that's okay. It's going to get stronger by doing it. Then what you can do to progress to make it more challenging, sit down one leg, stand up on the same leg. There you go. Those are your pistols.